Yo, guys, what's up? Today we have to talk about a very important topic, and this is the change of photography in 2024, especially these past 1 to 2 years, okay? So let's start by saying photography is not as it was 10 years ago, even five. Okay, everything is changing so much very, very quickly, and it is all caused by, say if you guess it, you got it? AI. AI is literally gonna change everything. Okay, I just saw a video a couple days ago. It was by, he's very famous, you're probably gonna know him. I'm searching him up right now. His name is Marcus Brownlee. He's like the most famous creator about smartphones, reviews, AI, stuff like this. He just showed there's a new software. It's called Sora. It's built by OpenAI, but it's crazy. This is especially for like videographers. The change. Uh, Software is called Sora OpenAI, and it literally like from what I've seen, it only makes like videos, right? But photos are already crazy. Like the photos that are made by AI are like insane already. The videos, like I don't know if you remember last year we had Will Smith eating spaghetti. It was like all messed up. Like the video was like almost looked like something made from the 90s, like weird animation. But this software, it creates like almost like from a video game, but you really have to look deep to see like, okay, there are like weird movements, imperfections. So I think as we like photographers, we must adopt like a different kind of way to our job, because I'm telling you, time 5 years, even less, like 2 3 years, nothing this AI tool is gonna be better than most of photographers and videographers. So, like, I mean, it's already crazy. Like, when you try to get clients, and my phone can do the same. Well, no. One, it's different. Like, look at the lens, like the size of like my lens is like this. Like, it's not the same. Trust me, it's not the same. It's not the same, even though they might think it's the same. It's not the same. Camera, like this and this, are completely two different things, and some clients really don't understand this. Because phones came so far that like the average person might not even see the difference between a nice blended background and a cinematic mode. Like, the cinematic mode like is good, but it's not perfect. Like, if you are a photographer, you know what I mean. Like, it has the imperfections. Like, it's not very well blended together like as a camera. They don't see it. And the problem is like photo shoots, I think, are gonna become like very, very rare. Like, especially when AI comes, bro. Like, some of, like, let's call it your clients, they're gonna put my Ferrari F40 in the Sahara Desert, drifting on an abandoned road. They have a realistic picture, like 101, so it's like unique. No one has that location. So, like, I think as photographers, we must adopt a different way of like making money, or trying to make money, building up our craft. I feel like going for like physical photo shoots with clients is not going to be a thing in 5 years. I mean, unless someone is also passionate about photography and like the creative process, they like are against AI, or maybe they say, no, I still want a photographer to take pictures of my car. I don't want AI. Like, I want to be able to see the pictures and say, oh, he took it there, creative process, he edited it, we went there, we had a great time. like there's more memories tied to, going shooting. So I think it's going to be a mix, but really some people might actually prefer AI, which is kind of scary because like most jobs will actually be replaced by AI, a lot of them. So I feel like as photographers, you and I must build a community, okay? So you have to start doing YouTube videos, TikToks, putting yourself out there, and just really building a community. And like once you build a community, you accumulate enough knowledge, you can actually eventually teach those people how to, take photos, do with light, all this stuff. And basically you're gonna charge for that. You can do a monthly, or you can do a course eventually. So I feel like you're gonna teach people that want to pursue photography more as a hobby rather than a job. Because photography as a job, yeah, 10 years ago it was like at a peak, 15, 20, something like this. But now it's going downhill. I feel like there's gonna be less and less photographers. So you really must switch photographers. I think they're gonna exist forever, but we just must switch the approach to the whole process, just reinvent ourselves, and really, 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 there's gonna be different ways of making money as photographers with AI. Uh, I feel like we're not even ready for the things that might come in a couple years. Like I have no idea. It's hard to wrap your brain around the whole AI thing. Like what it's gonna even AI movies. Bro, give it 4 or 5 years, okay? I feel like even actors, there's gonna be AI movies. I'm pretty sure they're gonna make something like this, because imagine a movie takes years, maybe even to make, or months. They're gonna just do it the whole thing with AI. That's crazy. I'm not gonna be a fan of that. No, I want to watch a real movie with real people. But it's scary. It's scary, and we must change the way we make money. Creating communities, building um, clients is gonna be very hard to make money from clients, and it is already hard. Not because only of AI, because people. But you see people, they take a picture of the car and they just generate the background with AI. It's already a thing, right? Because I've seen it on Instagram. But also the phones, like iPhone 17, 18, the next 2, 3 models, I think are gonna be insane. Like the average eye of the non-photographer is gonna not notice a difference. I feel like, and that's scary. Having said that, comment down below if you want actually more tips on how to start a YouTube, how to start a Instagram, post reels consistently. I'm not an expert. Like I'm just like in this whole process, but I feel like I've already accumulated some knowledge on how to grow on some platforms, even though I'm not here. Let's say this is the starting point. I'm not here. Okay, I'm not here. But I might be here, here, here. Like I know something to teach most of the people in photography that just starting out. So if you want to follow along my journey, uh, feel free to watch other of my videos. I have plenty of videos explaining photography tips, lenses, this, that. So yeah, comment down below what you think about this whole AI. It's kind of hard even to explain because, as I said, wrapping my mind around it is kind of damn, it's happening. It's actually crazy. 1 year ago, we had just the beginning of AI, right? And now look how far we've come in 1 year. 1 year. Like, that's crazy. That's insane. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed me talking about AI. Hope you understand what I mean, and hope you're gonna change a little bit the way you approach photography in the next years, because we must reinvent ourselves. But yeah, have a good one. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Peace.